Hello, students. Welcome to the second session on Ecology by A.K. Ramanujan. Till now, we have read the text where the whole poem can be read as a single sentence. The day after the first rain, for years, I would come home in a rage, for I could see from a mile away our three red champak trees had done it again, had burst into flower, and had given mother her first blinding migraine of the season. With their sweet, street long, heavy hung yellow pollen fog of a fragrance no wind could sift. No door could shut out from our black pillared house, whose walls had ears and eyes, scales, smells, bone creaks, nightly visiting voices, and were porous like us. But mother, flashing her temper like her mother's twisted silver, grandchildren knickers, wet as a cold pack on her head, would not let us cut down a flowering tree almost as old as seeded, she said, by a passing bird's providential droopings. To give her gods and daughters' daughters, basketful of annual flower, and for one line of cousins, a dower of migraines in the season. So, the poem depicts the endearing love of a middle aged woman to the tall trees in her yard. She doesn't allow the trees to be felled, although their flower causes her severe migraine. Love for flora, love for the well being of descendants, and the spirit of sacrifice of a mother for her family are the three hallmarks of this poem. The mother is extremely loving, dedicated to the family, and loves trees for overall benefits they bring. The speaker is logical, educated, and he can notice the harmful effect of the nature. The poet's attitude to the champak trees is antithetical to his mother's. They are in conflict. He represents the modern generation. The trees give mother severe migraine every year. This gets the poet into a rage. Ironically, mother endures the headache without complaints. The poet thinks that the tree have to be cut down, but on hearing it, mother flashes her temper. The champak tree is almost as old as her. They were seated by a passing bird's providential droopings. She is seeing the positive aspect of nature, but the poet sees them as a source of trouble every year. In the present age of ecological crisis, A.K. Ramanujan's Ecology is thematically and aesthetically relevant poem. The poem depicts many contrasts. It describes the contrast in attitude, beliefs, and value of two generations. At a time when India is grappling with the question of what it means to be Indian, it's worth visiting his poetry. The poet explores the heart of Indianness in the poem in following ways: a son's love for his mother, mother's sacrificing nature, the mother's attachment to the tree, strong interest in the family, the poet's reference to Hindu heritage as he mentions the gods and ancient beliefs, etc. Actually, the mother of Night of the Scorpion and mother of Ecology are like sisters, or we can say mothers are like Mother Nature. They are self sacrificing, they endure the harmful aspect of nature because it's fruitful or it's beneficial for their coming generation. Well, to talk about the style of the poem, as has previously been said, the whole poem can be read in a single sentence, like a single sentence. And about the irony, the sense of irony is reflected when the mother very angrily protests the idea of cutting down the tree, even though she is suffering very badly from the migraine caused by it. She is emotionally attached to the tree and says that it is as old as she herself. About its symbolism, it can be read on many planes from many angles. Despite its deceptive simplicity, it can be read through the lens of colonialism. We can find as many meanings in it. About the imagery, There are different images. The whole poem is full of various images. A scene has been created. Red champak trees are there. The heavy hung pollen fragrance is there. Black pillared house. Walls had ears, eyes, scales, smell, bone creaks, nightly visiting voices. Mother, mother's twisted silver, grandchildren's sneakers. The the scene has been created like this that the whole image becomes alive in front of us. Well, coming to the assignment part of this poem, we have a reference to context, 8 marks each. 3 reference to context questions will be there. From this portion, this is your assignment. Question number 1. I could see from a mile our 3 red champak trees had done it again. You have to write reference to context of this stanza. And the second question is our black pillared house, where the house has been personified. You have to write reference to context of these lines. Then from exam point of view, you have to write essay type questions, which in exam is of 20 marks. The essay type question can be on Indian sensibility. Express that how the poem expresses Indian sensibility, or the poem is steeped in Indian sensibility. Next, what's the role of nature in human life on the basis of ecology? What are your views or critical appreciation of the poem? Write as an assignment, prepare these 3 questions, lengthy questions. Hope you have enjoyed this. Indian English Poet will love to do the assignments on this poem. Thank you for joining today's class.